I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by understanding what a fill stick is and when to use it. Wear nitrile gloves, eye protection, and a respirator rated for organic vapors. Work in a well-ventilated area away from sparks and open flames. Clean and degrease the repair area with isopropyl alcohol or acetone and allow it to dry completely. Remove loose rust or paint with a wire brush or 80 grit sandpaper before applying filler. Choose a fill stick color that matches the base repair material for easier blending later. Warm the stick between your hands so it becomes slightly pliable before applying. Press the softened stick into the damaged area and work it from the edges toward the center. Apply thin layers and press firmly to eliminate air pockets and gaps and to ensure adhesion. Allow each layer to cure for the manufacturer recommended time, typically 15 to 30 minutes at room temperature. Sand with 120, then 220 grit to shape. Then finish with 400 grit for a smooth surface ready for primer. After final sanding, wipe the area with a tack cloth and apply a high adhesion epoxy primer before painting. Wait the primer cure time specified on the can, usually 30 to 60 minutes before top coat application. Spray or brush your chosen top coat in thin, even coats and allow proper flash times between coats for best finish. Clean tools with mineral spirits and dispose of rags safely to prevent spontaneous combustion. Store unused fill stick in an airtight container and keep leftover material refrigerated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.